What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to share a cool delivery here. My Hero 11 Black GoPro just came in, and I'm pretty excited to try her out. This is a delivery straight from GoPro. Came with this really nice case, which I did not have with the last one, so I don't know if this is new or a GoPro 11 specific thing. Let me know. But yeah, they had some spring deals on their website, and I think if you sign up for like a year of their GoPro subscription service or whatever, you get a discount on the GoPro. So I got this and some batteries, but yeah, just gonna do kind of a quick and dirty unboxing here. I'm mainly upgrading because this year in this winter season, while I was fat biking, I finally I got fed up with my batteries and the GoPro dying on my 8. The 8 had a pretty solid recording of 4K and everything, so that was cool. And I was cool with how the batteries functioned, and that the ergonomics were better than the previous one I had. But I think this is going to be another step up in video quality, but also stabilization, which is huge for the mountain biking, of course, and being out in bumpy Colorado. So yeah, this is top of line now, pretty much. I think there's a mini version of this, but this is, I think, the best GoPro you can get. So, of course, pumped about trying her out as the audio video file that I am. Looks like we got some clips here, and here's a battery. So I guess I'm gonna have 3 batteries because I got this separately, and I think this comes with 2. Yeah. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, the charger, dual charger like the last one I had with the 8. But these batteries are different. Apparently they're supposed to last longer and better resistance to cold. And so that's what I'm most excited about. I just noticed on some of my rides, like, I don't know, they were prematurely dying sometimes, and I could only narrow it down to temperature, just how cold it was that day or something. And I think maybe when it's too hot as well. So hopefully these will work out better. Seems like the camera itself versus the 8 is maybe a tad heavier, which kind of makes sense. It's definitely more, like, seems very durable, and the screen is bigger than the one I had. Both screens, I should say. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep using the chest mount as I've been using for my bike rides. But yeah, I can't wait to get some videos up with this and let you know how the batteries perform and whatnot. I'm hoping that the higher resolution isn't just like a waste, because sometimes when you upload things to YouTube, the processing that they do or the compression or whatever, I feel like sometimes the videos get way worse than the original recording. And frankly, if the file size is just much bigger because of the resolution difference or the compression, then it's kind of pointless to have the better resolution if YouTube is just going to butcher it. So I've got to do some experimentation there. But yeah, new GoPro 11 Black, dual charger, new batteries. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck out there, and yeah, look out for some new videos. Hope to start using this maybe even today. So thanks for stopping by, guys. See you later.